Hello everyone, welcome to INS Creations Ltd, where we bring your ideas to life. In today's video, I am going to design a sleek and professional ID card for your technology company. Whether you are a designer looking for inspiration or simply curious about the process, you are in the right place. I will walk you through the step-by-step process for creating a design that both functional and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you will learn how to craft an ID card that stands out and leaves a lasting impression. Let's dive into it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. After create a page for ID card design, give a color in the page in ash black, and let's take this rectangle shape and make it lengthen and make the corner round 100% and give it a gradient color in red. Press Alt and copy this in 4 copies. Adjust all of them. Group them and adjust them half of the corner on right side. Copy this and adjust it on left side 1 copies and the right side 1 and the left side 1 like this. Adjust them. Now go to the element and search for a frame. Let's take this round frame. And now let's search texture background. Let's take this or take other. Let's take this background and give the frame a border in red color. And take a text box and type the name. Change the font style. Reduce the line spacing. Now go to the element and search logo. Change the keyword and search a logo. Let's take this logo, change the color in white. Take a text box, type the company name. Reduce the line spacing. Make the left alignment. Adjust the logo and the name together. Now go to the element and search for a picture. Search with the keyword corporate girls. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the frame. Now take a text box and type the details. Make sure all the details in left alignment. Make them in regular font. And now adjust with the details and the name. From the element, let's take this line or shape. Change the color in red gradient. Let's change it with the line. Let's take this line and make this thinner with the line weight 2 and change the color in red and adjust it under the name. Take a text box and type the designation. Now jump into the back page and copy this oval rectangle element and adjust it like this, and copy the texture too, adjust the texture on the back page too. Take a text box and type terms and conditions. Now copy the line and adjust it under the condition. Paste the condition, terms and condition. Now take a text box and type the text. Take the name and change the font style in signature font style. Adjust it with the name and the designation. Now copy these elements and adjust it like this. Now take a text box, type the joining date and the expire date. Here it is, a corporate company ID card design. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like flyer design, brochure design, menu card design, restaurant brochure or a presentation, you can contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.